Hello. The purpose of this screencast is to show you how to sign up in order to access your students' Schoology courses as a parent. To begin, open your browser and type in Schoology.com. Then to the right, you'll see there is a sign up option. When you hover over that, you can select Parent. In order to sign up, you do need an access code that is unique to each child, and you can get that from the school. Please note that this is just a sample. Then what you'll need to do is sign up using your first name and your last name, as well as your email or username, and you'll have to create a password and confirm it. You will also need to click here to register that you've agreed with their privacy policy and terms of use. After you enter this information, you can register, and then you'll be able to search your students' courses throughout Schoology.